Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. I think we should be live, guys. Let's just see who's tuning in. And guys, last time we've been live around 24 hours ago. This storm has changed a good amount. So we will be talking about basically everything. Hey Anthony, how you doing? And let's get into this. As you can see right now, look at that. You see, there's so much to talk about. You see, look at that convection that has been developing basically 2 hours ago. This is new formation. The center used to be kind of exposed, but now this convection is going on top of that. So this is your tropical system here. Your center of circulation is about right here. And I will be getting into the cone. First, now let's just analyze the cone real quick. So right now, it is Tropical Storm Idalia right now. The storm is currently here. As of 8 p.m., we have 45 miles an hour sustained winds. Max gust of 50 moving east-northeast. Pressure of 995 millibars. This storm is still moving slow. By 2 a.m., it's going to get up to here. But once tomorrow comes, this storm, look, 2 p.m., by the overnight hours, this storm is going to start to move north way faster and become a hurricane by tomorrow night. A new update, guys. Now, remember last night they predicted a Cat 1? Now they're predicting a Category 2 hurricane to make landfall. But I honestly think it could possibly go higher to maybe a Cat 3. Hurricane watches are in effect for parts of the Big Bend of Florida. Now let's talk about North South Carolina. See how it weakens to tropical storm near Georgia. But do you guys remember, like, the cone shift was, like, more here yesterday? The cone, let me draw that again. The cone was more here yesterday. Now it seems like it's trending into more of, like, more actually kind of more going out to sea. That's honestly what the track is actually starting a trend to. Greenville, Charlotte, you used to be in the cone, now you're not, but still watch out. You guys still could get tropical storm force winds. The cone shifts like almost every advisory, so it's hard to say. And Franklin's also intensifying. So now we're going to be looking at some of the computer models. First, let's view the Euro GFS. Let's see what the GFS is showing. So GFS is showing it right now here. Let's fast forward that to about 8 p.m. tomorrow. 8 p.m. tomorrow, see a little bit more of developing starting to happen. Remember, these models aren't looking at the warm sea surface temperatures. Not unless I think this could actually possibly become a Cat 3 or a Cat 4. Possibly. If the storm rapidly intensifies, it goes rapid intensification is if it goes 30 miles an hour or higher within 24 hours. Let's skip to landfall. Ooh, GFS is showing, like, look at that. This is kind of low resolution, but the GFS is showing, you see that kind of, the GFS showing kind of an eye present shape. This is by 11 p.m. on Tuesday night. And then it shows it makes landfall around 8 a.m. in the morning as a pretty strong storm. So basically, we're going to go through the models. We're going to show you the reflectivity of every model. Then we're going to show you the wind speeds of every model. You know, best of both worlds. Now the Euros. and then we will be taking a look at any of your questions after I get through these models. Chris, you think Franklin may have a lot to... No, Franklin's going out to sea. The big risk for me is rip currents. That's about it. Let's see. Let's see when the Euro's showing the storm make landfall. Oh, I was on the wrong thing. Where? Oh, was I not on high res? That's why. Oh. We gotta view this website, because I don't know what that's doing. Oh, it wasn't on high resolution. Hey, Blaze. We're basically discussing the model. Let's see what the Euro's showing. Euro's showing it. Dang, Euro's showing it. GFS Euro is showing it good. Now we're going to view some of the hurricane models. Take these models with a grain of salt because they're going crazy. HWRF is showing... Skip all the way at 33 hours. They're showing a big-time hurricane. By 8 p.m. they're showing... That looks like a Cat 4. Dang! HWRF's a new model, so take this with a big grain of salt. This would only happen if this storm rapidly intensifies, I think. Question gets crossed in North Carolina. Yep, possibly. And now, after we view one more hurricane model, let's see what the wind gust. This is another hurricane model. They are also showing a pretty strong storm come to shore at around 5 a.m. Now let's see what the GFS is showing for. Where's upper level winds? That model's showing can't. Yeah, but take that with a grain of salt. That's likely not gonna happen. I don't know what that model be doing. Let's see what this model's showing. I don't even want to look. Let's see what this model's showing for you, Anthony. Oh, they're showing it get pretty bad in South Carolina. Look at that. If this model verifies, you could actually be in a tornado threat. Want to know why? You got your center right here. You got your easterly bands here. This is where your tornadic supercells could produce. Take this with a grain of salt. A big one. Oh my. What? Oh God. How do I get it to the motion? 7 people watching. Thank you guys. How would I change this to like no. How would I change it to like wind speed? Oh gosh, it's not good. Let me view on a different website. Does this have? This doesn't have. Let's just see the satellite imagery. This is the live satellite. The deep convection is getting pretty bad right now. This indicates high cloud tops, and also this storm is 100% strengthening. Chris, I got a perfect idea. That's gonna be what, this image? And we will be taking a look at the storm on radar once it gets closer. I hope I could cover landfall. I'm not sure. Should I take a look at the ensembles? They're showing a landfall around 5 a.m. This is the official cone. Storm's still moving slow. Let's take a look at Franklin. Oh! Franklin's forming an eye. Look at that. Hurricane Franklin's forming an eye. It's going to go out to sea, thankfully. So that's why I'm not as concerned for that. So look, this is the cone hurricane watch in effect. Look, you remember how I said yesterday how the track was like so uncertain? Look, now the ensembles are actually starting to agree, you see? They're starting to agree more, you see that? See, most models are showing it to be a Cat 2 or Cat 1. But if the storm rapidly intensifies, that will be an issue. Ooh, the aircraft carriers are in Franklin. Thank you so much for 5 people watching. See if there's marginal risk today, tomorrow, and the next day. So not much severe weather going on. The hurricane could possibly spark a tornado threat, though. Today's not going to be that long of a stream. But I'll probably go live again tomorrow. Another area of interest here. See, it's just going to go out to you. Rip current threat is a big deal, though. Chris, right now in North Carolina, under pretty instant, yeah. This is the wind history. It became a tropical storm earlier this. Storm surge watches are in effect. This is what the rainfall could potentially be. Around 6 inches of rainfall likely. Storm surge could be potentially 7 to 11 feet in some areas. What hurricane watches are in effect for the Bin Band? Can't even talk. Hey Blaze, I'm live.
I'm watching your stream.
Thank you. By the way, this is...
Now because you're watching the surface wind field.
Peak surges and even Tampa Bay could be potentially 3 or 5 feet. Tampa Bay is a very flood-prone city. Even also Key West could potentially get 1 to 3 feet. The U.S. flooding risk is a slight risk, but I think it's probably likely going to go up 15%.
It is because there's uncertainty right now. That's why it's not up yet, but it's probably going to be up soon. Moderate flooding.
Yeah, 100%. Because this storm is very uncertain. We don't know if it's going to rapidly intensify, which could actually be a potential, unfortunately.
We'll see. We'll see, Chris. We'll see.
Yeah, do you think it's going to be... I want your opinion. Do you think it's going to be higher than a Cat 2?
Possible.
I think maybe...
And only if rapid intensification occurs.
If not, I think it's going to stay around a Cat 2. I think it could possibly go Cat 3. It really depends. What?
Ian went through rapid intensification, right?
Yep, and I hope that doesn't happen with this storm.
Because the waters are so hot.
Yeah.
Wait, who is this Anthony Liverpool?
Oh, he's one of my viewers. And also, yeah, the Florida governor issued a state of emergency. See, look, just 3 hours ago, it didn't have much convection. Look at it now. It has so much convection.
It was running through a lot of shear. Now it's not.
Yeah, so now this is... I think the strengthening window is going to be now till when it makes landfall. What do you think?
Oh, no, Chris. Insane.
I'm gonna try to do these briefings every day from yesterday, so I do it again likely tomorrow night at around the same time. I'll give an update every 24 hours about.
Yeah, we'll check.
Soon I'm gonna end the stream, guys, because we covered a lot of things.
How long have you been live for?
It wasn't a coverage, really, so it's 20 minutes. It's just like a quick... It's basically an update. Instead of a video, I'm doing this so I can interact with my chat, you know. So this is basically a video, guys. But it's in a live format. Guys, if you notice, I'm trying to upgrade the quality of my thumbnails, if you could tell.
Nam 3 kilometer. Don't look at it on your stream, please don't.
Why?
I swear, have you already done that? Don't. Okay?
Nam.
Have your viewers seeing that.
Nam 12 kilometer.
No, 3 kilometers. It has less than a 900 millibar. It's in the 800s. It's typical NAM 3 kilometer.
Guys, don't.
With Ian, it was like 830. Remember when it did that with Ian?
Guys, that model's pretty horrible. Don't believe that. It's not gonna be that strong.
It's for like severe weather.
Don't look
it
at.
Shows it making landfalls in 902 millibar.
Don't look at HWRF, cause that's crazy.
What are you looking at right now?
Look at my stream. Look what the HWRF is showing. Oh my, they're showing like a Cat 5. Look at that.
That's not happening now.
Yeah. I wanted to make the HMON, you know, as one of my thumbnails, but I decided not to do it because I think it would spread false info. So I just did the live satellite.
I think the range would be Cat 2 to high-end Cat 3 is my range right now.
Nice. Let me show you. Are you on my stream right now?
Cat 2 to high-end Cat 3.
So You see, I want to make this as my thumbnail, like this, because you see on my thumbnail that I have the cone, and then I have, like, a box on the side. I wanted to put this on the box, but I realized I think that would spread false info, so I just did the live satellite. Do you see?
Is Anthony Whippery a guy, or is he a kid?
I think he's 28. Raymave said, Chris, will Blaze be live Tuesday or Wednesday? Will you be live Tuesday or Wednesday? Raymaves wants to know.
Me?
Yeah. Or you don't know.
Dude, why is it showing almost landfall at 1 in the morning, dude? That's actually so stupid.
You're like, why does it have to be so late?
I'll skip school.
I want to cover landfall, but I don't think I will. But is this good that I'm doing live updates like this every 24 hours? So tomorrow at 8 or 9 p.m. I will likely be doing an update. Unless something crazy happens before that, then I'll update you before.
Yeah. Can you remember? Oh man, Chris.
Come on. And I basically covered everything, guys. See you guys tomorrow night.